Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is going to be the final card using the Snowfall Thinlit, and alongside that today I'm going to be using the Flourish Foliage stamp set. And as you can see, I've just taken the Comfort and Joy from this sentiment, like so. Isn't it pretty? So shall we crack on? So I've already done most of the hard bit for you, just purely because of time. I know you don't want to sit here watching me do everything you already know how to do. So I've already run through a mat of balmy blue cardstock, which is a standard C6 size, and the mat is just 2mm shorter on each side. So I've run that through the subtle embossing folder, as you can see, and I'm just going to stick that onto our card base with some snow adhesive, like so. Line that up. And there you have it. So now I'm going to bring in the snowflakes, already cut out and glittered, as you can see. And I'm just going to place these down. I'm using the small mini dimensionals, and I've just cut them into 4 and place that in the centre of the card, like so. And I've got 2 smaller ones here, and I'm just going to take the backs off these, and I'm going to place them just either side of the middle snowflake. Like so. So with the sentiment, what I did was I cut a strip of basic black, and I used my stamp apparatus just to line up where that sentiment would be, or that part of the sentiment would be, like so, and just stamp that down and heat set it as you know how. So I'm going just to snip off the edges, like so, and just fishtail the ends. I'm sure you all know by now I like my fishtail ends, as some of you have mentioned, but what can I say, I like it, so I'm going to keep doing it, as should all of you with things you enjoy. Like so. And that's just going to sit underneath, and I'm going to use the mini dimensionals again, just one either end. Take them off and place that underneath in the middle. And there you have it, today's card. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below to see a list of products used. And while you're down there, like, comment and subscribe, and why not share to all social media so everybody can see how quick and easy it is to make a card like this. I'll see you guys around. Bye.